Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Heather and this is Create Your Own Cozy. On today's video, I am doing the Ugly Duckling challenge. This challenge is hosted by Cory over at Desert DIY. If you guys don't already follow her on YouTube, check out her link in the description box below. She is an amazing furniture upcycler, and she also has an amazing heart. A lot of her projects go to young adults that are aging out of the foster system. So the challenge was to grab an ugly duckling piece of furniture and make it something beautiful. So if you want to see how this piece right here turns out, stick around. So let's get started on my ugly piece of furniture. Here she is. I visited her for a couple months in my local thrift store, but she was listed at $125, and I thought that was way too much for the amount of work that needed to go into it. But then they had a 50% off furniture sale. And then after that, I had a 25% off coupon. So I ended paying around $47 for it. And that was the right price point for the amount of work that it required. There's a nice semi-gloss brown latex paint with a lot of orange in it. I did not like this color, and decided that she needed to be something pretty spectacular. She sat in my garage for quite some time because I couldn't quite decide what I wanted to do, but I decided that these legs needed to be stripped. Because of the damage, I couldn't strip the whole piece, so decided just to do these beautiful legs and the top with citrus strip. This product, you need to really goop it on, and I had to do it twice. So I put it on, let the legs sit for 24 hours, and then did some soap and water, some sandpaper, and then just finished them off with a nice polishing wax, and they turned out better than I could have imagined. Next is time to tackle the painted portion of this piece. There was some damage that someone else had already repaired, and I got out 220 grit sandpaper, just sanded down that space so that it was more smooth to the touch, just kept running my hand over it to see that as a painted surface it would be nice and smooth. Now after opening up this wood grain, there was a possibility that it was going to bleed, so I did spray shellac over any spaces where the wood came through so that my white paint wouldn't yellow in those areas. Next, I'm going to use my Farmhouse Paints furniture paint. I love this paint. There is a top coat already built in, and honestly, this piece took 4 coats. I know it's a lot, but I wanted it to not have a streakiness to it, and I was coloring a very dark, very shiny paint. So I did 4 coats, and then as I was painting, I was realizing these spaces needed to be covered up, so I just use a paintable caulk. Especially if it's going to be painted, it just makes this piece look a lot more finished and repaired to just put this paintable caulk in all the gaping holes. And I like to kind of do the first layer of paint to see what the paint will cover up and then see how I can repair it after that first coat. did you guys think? Did I take this ugly duckling and turn it into a beautiful swan? I am so glad I rescued this piece, and I am in love with the way it turned out. If this type of content and thrift flips and the journey of coming along with me as I open my first antique booth is something that you're interested in, I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and let me know, do you love how this piece turned out? Thank you guys so much for joining me. Thank you for your amazing support, and I'm so excited that you're here. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.